Welcome to the new edition of the 3D printing news. Once again, this week brings many exciting developments from the world of 3D printing. QIDI has introduced the new QIDI Box, an automated filament management system that enables both multicolor and true multi-material printing. And what does the QIDI Box do when it runs out of filament? Easy, it calls its 3 friends and spontaneously organizes a filament party. We are also taking a look at the Praxitron IDEX printer, currently being founded via Kickstarter. HP is launching a new 3D scanner called the Design Scan in cooperation with Creaform. BIQU has released new CryoGrip Pro build plates for various devices. UltiMaker is launching the beta version of its AI-powered learning platform, MakerBot Nebula. Bambu Lab introduces the Farm Manager, a local control solution for print farms. There's a new firmware update for the H2D with numerous improvements, and MyMiniFactory is responding to the Etsy ban with a new premium merchant mod program. If you like to support the weekly news, feel free to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up and share it with others interested in 3D printing. I'm Robert and I'm presenting the news for you again today. Let's go. QIDI Box is here. QIDI has released a new product, the QIDI Box. It's an automatic filament management system that allows for true multi-material and multi-color printing. It was specifically developed for the QIDI Plus 4, but in theory, with up to 4 boxes, can be combined. That means up to 16 different filaments can be used in a single print job. The big difference compared to previous multicolor systems, the QIDI Box doesn't just support color changes, it also allows to use different material types in one print. For example, PLA for soluble support material like PVA or BVOH. The box automatically detects which filament is loaded and switches it as needed. No manual intervention required. Snap away or soluble supports are also supported, making post-processing of complex models significantly easier. Each box can hold up to 4 1.75mm 1 kilo filaments. When one spool runs out, it automatically switches to a new one for uninterrupted printing. The built-in drying function heats the inside up to 65 degrees Celsius, especially important for moisture-sensitive materials like nylon or PVA. 2 temperature sensors ensure safety and shut the system off in case of overheating. The extrusion system uses hardened dual steel gears that reliably feed abrasive materials like carbon or glass fiber filament. The QIDI Box is compatible with many technical filaments, such like PLA, PTG, ABS, ASA, PA, PC, PPS, TPU 64D, and CF and GF field variants. It is less suitable for very flexible or especially hardened filaments like TPU 95A, TPE, or PA-HTCF. An integrated NFC system automatically detects QIDI filaments and adjusts parameters like temperature and retraction accordingly. The system also monitors tangling, clogging, and filament end and switches to a new spool if it's necessary or the user has one in. The box measures 357 by 300 by 200, 34 millimeters, weighs 4.35 kilos, and has an ABS PC housing. It supports spool widths between 50 and 72 millimeters and diameters from 195 to 202 millimeters. It is still unclear exactly how QIDI Box connects to the Plus 4. It's likely to be an internal connection as only one USB port is accessible from the outside. That makes the QIDI Box interesting not only for color printing enthusiasts, but also for those wanting to print functional parts with different materials, properties, or soluble supports in a single job. Praxitron IDEX printer on Kickstarter. Praxitron is a new IDEX 3D printer currently being founded on Kickstarter. The device is available in two sizes, a standard version with 250 by 250 by 250 mm and an XL version with 350 by 350 by 450 mm. IDEX stands for Independent Dual Extruder, mean two extruders that work independently of each others. This enables not just multi-material printing but also mirror or duplication modes, where two identical parts are printed simultaneously. Especially interesting, you can combine different nozzle sizes like 0.4 mm for clean outer walls and 0.8 mm for fast infill. The printer comes fully pre-assembled and features a modular extruder system. piezo sensors are used for automatic bed leveling, a built-in camera allows real-time remote monitoring, operation is done via a 7-inch touchscreen. Other features also included like filament monitoring to prevent clogs, nozzle temperatures goes up to 300 degrees Celsius, a heated bed up to 100 degrees and the maximum print speed of 300 mm per second. Nozzle sizes from 0.2 to 0.8 mm are supported, 2 nozzles are included. Kickstarter price will start at $899 for the standard version and $1,429 for the XL version. Quantities here are limited. The development team is based in Asia and has been working on the device for over a year. Initial prototypes already exist. But important, Kickstarter projects always carry a certain risk. Delivery or refunds cannot be guaranteed. If you are interested in IDEX printing but don't want a DIY solution, the Praxitron might be worth a look. Just approach it with healthy crowdfunding skepticism. HP launches new 3D scanner. HP is launching a new 3D scanner in cooperation with Canadian company Creaform. The device is called HP Design Scan and is technically based on the well-known PS3 scanner, only the design and branding have been modified. The scanner is offered in two versions. One is with the HP 3D Scan OS software, which likely corresponds to the PLOS, and another with HP Scan to CAD, which likely matches PLCAD Pro. The hardware offers an accuracy up to 0.05 mm, a scan speed of 80 seconds per square meter, and an ergonomic design with touchscreen and haptic feedback. The software allows presets for object size, scan quality, file format, and color capture. The target audience includes both beginners and professionals. HP hasn't announced prices, but a similar PL devices are sold for around $8,500 for the standard version and about $12,000 for the C8D version. With this move, HP aims to enter the field of digital manufacturing without having to develop its own scanning technology. BIQU releases new CryoGrip Pro build plates. BIQU has expanded its CryoGrip Pro product line. The new Glacier build plate is now available in black and is designed specifically for the Creality K2 Plus. It provides strong adhesion even without a heated bed and works with PLA, PETG, ABS, PA and other materials. Thanks to an integrated handle with a honeycomb structure, prints can be easily removed. The material is durable, warp resistant and easy to clean with water, soap or alcohol. The new black surface is made and, according to the manufacturer, does not interfere with the AI camera of the K2 Plus. There are also new sizes for the CryoGrip Pro frostbite plates, 235 by 235 mm for printers like the Ender 3, CR20, Sovol SV05 or FlashForge Adventure 5M, and 300 by 300 mm for the QIDI Plus 4 and the Creality K1 Max. The frostbite version also works without a heated bed and is especially suitable for PLA and PETG. The advantages: energy saving, robust heating resistant and easy to clean. New learning platform from UltiMaker, MakerBot Nebula. UltiMaker has introduced the beta version of the new learning platform MakerBot Nebula. It is aimed at schools in the K-12 sector, that is from preschool to high school in the US and Canada. The platform combines 3D printing, educational content, and AI-powered learning. Teachers are supported by virtual assistants for better track student progress and provide individualized support. 3 core tools are currently available. First, the Learning Station. Here teachers can find training on printer setup and uses, as well as basic pedagogical content. Second, the Experience Builder. This tool helps create personalized learning paths with progress tracking and adaptation to pace and style. Third, the Founding Assistant. This helps apply for founding, currently limited to MakerBot Grants program. This program allows teachers in the US and Canada to apply for a package worth over $4,000. It includes a MakerBot sketch sprint printer, 20 spools of PLA filament, an educator's guidebook, certification for 1 teacher and 30 students, and 3 years of UltiMaker care. The platform is still in beta, but will be continuously expanded. Bambulab introduces Farm Manager. Bambulab has released the Bambu Farm Manager, a software solution for locally managed large fleets of printers. Unlike the previous cloud-based solution, the Farm Manager runs entirely locally. All data and commands remain within your local internal network. Currently supported models are the P1, A1 and X1C. X1E and H2D will follow later this year. The software consists of 2 components, a background server that communicates with the printers and a client interface for control. There's no strict limit on the number of printers that can be managed. It depends on your PC and network performance. Farm Manager features included real-time monitoring of all printers, simultaneous control of entire printer groups, automatic job distribution, structured file management with folders, tags and filters, and staggered print starts to avoid power spikes. The Bambu Farm Manager is free to download for Windows 10 and higher. Paid add-on features are planned for the future, but the current features will remain free. H2D Firmware Update 1.1.4.0. A new firmware update brings numerous improvements to the H2D from Bambulab. New features included the ability to dry PLA directly inside the AMS2 Pro or AMS HT without needing to unload it first. A new calibration function is blade offset has been added to improving cutting precision. The quality of the first layer has been enhanced, as well as detection of clogs and the purge bin. A bug related to formatting large USB sticks has also been addressed. Other improvements included better print quality with 0.2mm nozzles, improved system stability, power saving logic, and lightning behavior after printing. A new warning sound now alerts you when the 40-watt laser check-in timer is about to expire. Compatibility of the print then cut method with various paper sizes has also been expanded. Power loss recovery is more reliable now, as is live view camera streaming. The control logic for the adaptive airflow system and laser module calibration has been reworked. Known issue: the detection of a disconnected PDF e-tube for filament is currently disabled. MyMiniFactory responds to Etsy ban. As of June 10th, Etsy has banned the sale of 3D prints that were not self-designed or hand-finished, even if license is held. This affects many makers who legally print, sell license models. MyMiniFactory is responding with a new premium merchant program to be rolled out in 2 phases. In phase 1, merchants can be listed as verified sellers for $25 per month. Requirement is a proven commercial license. Seller profiles will transparently show which designers are licensed. At first, sales go through personal websites, later directly through the platform. MyMiniFactory will handle license control and royalty payments to designers. The goal? Legally secure sales with clear separation between creators and sellers. The platform takes a 10% cut from verified sellers' sales. Designers pay nothing as long as they only offer their own files. The program mainly targets creators in the miniatures and tabletop sectors. MyMiniFactory aims to variety over mass sales, but does not forbid high volume selling. For many makers, the platform could become a real alternative to Etsy. Closing words. That's it for this week's 3D printing news. Thanks you all for watching, and a special thanks as always goes to my Patreons and everyone supporting the channel. None of it would be possible without you. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any future episodes. The 3D printing news is published every weekend, and so it's worth tuning in next week. Feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts to today's topics, share your insights, add info or ask questions. I really do read every single comment. Please keep it objective, respectful and kind. So, I see you next week. Until then, stay creative and print something cool. Cheers.